AI has completely revolutionized our entire world around us, from agriculture to photography to movie production to the clothing that we wear. AI is affecting every industry across the world, and we in education have to embrace that, and we have to help our students and our teachers along that journey through that understanding.
One of my favorite things about what we've heard repeatedly here is we're not going to have AI do it for us. We are the specialists. We are the ones that know what's best for students. We're just going to have AI analyze the sources and bring it to us for us to evaluate, so that human AI, human model is really important.
No matter where you are, just get started. I don't pretend to be an AI expert. I haven't arrived in this work, we haven't arrived as an agency, but get started and get better and just continue on that journey.